Still paying your team to chase invoices? Here's how we automated our entire AP department in 2 weeks. Manual accounts payable is brutal. Your team's stuck doing data entry, chasing approvals, matching purchase orders. It's slow, error-prone, and expensive. But with proper automation, everything changes. AI extracts invoice data automatically. Bots handle routine tasks. Everything syncs with your ERP system. One of ARDEM's clients, a fast-growing software company drowning in invoice volume. After our end-to-end AP automation, complete transformation, cycle times dropped dramatically and they gained full payables visibility. Here's how. ARDEM's AI captures invoice data with incredible accuracy. Bots automatically route approvals and match purchase orders, integrates with QuickBooks, SAP, NetSuite, you name it. The best part? This isn't some 6-month nightmare. We're talking complete transformation in 2 weeks. That's the power of doing AP automation right.